Hi guys, I'm back, and today I am doing a collaboration video with Jenny Post. So the link for her collaboration video with me is going to be below in my description, and we are using the theme July is National Blueberry Month. Had a little pause for effect right there. Sorry guys. Jenny Post and I have decided to base our painting today on the fact that July is National Blueberry Month. So I'm using all blues and white. As you can see here, I have a record that I previously painted on that I'm just going to paint over on my spinner here. So I am going to attempt several different techniques in one. We're going to try the kiss pour along with the cloud pour along with the tree ring pour on the spinner. So everybody keep your fingers crossed that this works out well. I'm super excited to see Jenny's version of July being National Blueberry Month. And you guys go check out her channel because she makes the most gorgeous cells ever. Yeah, so if you want to have some majorly awesome cells, go follow what she does. She's really down to earth. I think her and I are kind of alike. We're very down to earth and easygoing and kind of funny. At least I laugh at myself a lot. I'm very funny, thank you. So we're going to go along, tell you what we're using here. Artist Loft Phthalo Blue, Cerulean Blue, Light Blue, and then we've got the Brilliant Blue from Art Creation. So just 4 different blues. And then our white is going to be the Satin Enamel from Deco Art. It is this, okay? Don't buy it unless you have a coupon. So wait till you have like a 50 or 60% off coupon from Michael's and go buy it from Michael's. Yeah, so we're going to try that. This is mixed with a little bit of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, of course. About half and half. Half of the Satin Enamel and half of the Flow Acrylic. And a little bit of pouring medium. And of course I also have some floetrol in my colors. I didn't put any floetrol in here because it's already thin enough.
Silicone?
Absolutely no silicone in these paints. So yes, this is a pretty record, but I've run out of records to pour on, so we're going to pour on this one. And I have my lovely assistant Ellabella. She is over here taking a bow. She's going to help me spin my spinner ever so gently while we are doing the Cloud Kiss tree ring pour. So let's get on with it. I'm just going to pour some white in the bottom of both of these cups here. Not too much because this technique is really not going to take a lot of paint anyway, because the spinner will spin a lot of the blue and the white outwards. So it's a little different from just a regular old pre-ring pour or anything like that you would do. Usually you need more paint if you're going to have cells, because you end up having to pour a lot off. And I'm really trying to decide whether I want to mix all the colors in. I think I will. So I think we're going to do all 4 colors in each of them, but just in a different order. We'll see how that goes. What's that?
Good idea.
Well, we shall see. Trying not to mix these up too much, but that blue just kind of sank through everything. Some more white. It's probably enough paint, I would say. If you look in the cups, you can kind of see a little bit of cloudiness going on here. So that's a good sign. Hopefully this is going to work. Okay.
Let me see. Yep.
Yep. Okay. Let's move our paints out of the way. I'll put those on the counter anywhere you can find space. That one should be fine. And those. Okay, and then come like over here and we can start to spinning. Okay, everybody, fingers crossed. All right, if you want to go ahead and start spinning that lightly, a little more. Try and get both paints to come out at the same time. There we go.
It's starting to look cloudy.
It's hard to hold the cups together at this point. Okay. Let's move those out of the way.
Give it a good spin.
Well, hold on. Let's torch it first.
All right.
Let's see if we can get this to go a little more round so that when we spin it,
It turns out round.
it's more round. Yeah. We're getting the cloud effect. That's good. Okay, it just does not want to go in a round. Hold on. Not yet. Do that, and then maybe push down those
That looks
edges.
round. That looks round.
It's not round.
It's round.
Relax. She's just dying to spin this sucker.
I want to spin it.
Okay, let's get this side to come down a little bit. Come on. There we go. Okay, let's torch this.
Yes, before having spin.
Get some of these air bubbles out. I have a feeling we're going to lose a lot of blue. I think we had a little bit too much white in the center. But we shall see.
No.
Okay, let's set that out of the way. If you would like to give it a go, spin it harder than that.
Hold on.
Give it a good spin.
I feel like I'm one of those people on game shows. Like,
Okay, we just want to watch to see that it goes to all the edges before we stop it. I'm trying to see along here. Do we see any more of that turquoise color that was... Okay, let's
that
okay.
looks cloudy.
It's pretty. I lost a lot of blue, unfortunately. Let's see if we can get a little bit of that to come sort of back down. Well, with that light blue and that cloud white, it's definitely, I think it's definitely a cloud pour. I think we had some success.
Yay!
Although I would like a little more blue in
It's
there.
a cloud kiss spin pour. There we go.
Okay, there we go. All right. I think it's going to make a cool clock.
Yes.
So once this dries, I will pour resin over it. And then let's give it one more torch. Whoops. Glad we didn't need that one. We had a painting off to the side that we failed at, and I was going to show it, but now I've dropped a big tube of paint in it, so I'm not going to show it. Okay. All right, guys. That's it, really. So let me get you guys down for a little close-up. It's very, very cloudy. All right, so let's go around the edges. We really did lose a lot of blue, so maybe less white next time in between the colors. It's very pretty though. It's a very delicate piece. Look at that detail. That's pretty. Right along that edge. We almost have, it's almost like a gray in there. And I'm not sure what color helps to produce that, but it's kind of pretty. Keeps going out of focus. It doesn't like all this white. And then in towards the center, we were lucky we didn't drip. And so it just, I don't know. Looks like a bunch of marshmallows wadded up and smushed into something. Okay, well, there we are. This is the Blueberry Cloud Kiss Tree Ring Pour on the spinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think once we get it off of here and pour some resin over it and put some clockwork in it, I think it's going to look super cool. So look for that in a few weeks because we have to let the paint dry for at least a week or two. And then you got to pour the resin and you got to let that cure for a week or two. So, you know, in a month or two, hopefully I will be able to show you this clock. I'm kind of excited about it. I think it's going to turn out pretty cool.
Are we going to put
Roman numerals?
on it?
I don't know yet. I don't
Just
know.
numbers?
It may just be real basic. It may just have the clock hands. We'll have to see. Okay, so I want to thank everyone for watching my channel, for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank everyone for donating to my channel. If you'd like to donate to my channel, my PayPal link is below, and I have a website. But if you see any of the pieces that I've done on my channel, the easiest way to let me know that you'd like to purchase a piece is just to send me an email and reference the video number, and I will be glad to get back to you. Usually when you send me an email to purchase something, I usually get back to you really quickly. So, okay. I can actually see maybe a little bit more of the blue kind of coming up here. I don't know if you guys can tell that or not, but it looks like a little bit more kind of blue is coming. So we're going to leave it sitting there. It might turn out even prettier in a little bit. Okay, Ella?
So thanks for watching this video and all of the videos that my mom has posted. And make sure to check out a few of my videos and please subscribe. It helps us out a lot. Thank you.
Okay, you can find Ella's videos under the, I want to say acrylic pours with special guests. She's got a couple of videos that she does with me on there, and probably in the future she'll have a few more. So check us out, and wherever you're on the planet, I hope you're having an awesome afternoon, day, evening, or night. See you later. Bye.